The magic day 23. This is amazing, guys. Right. It's all about the air that you breathe. And I'm going to do an exercise with you with 5 breaths in a minute. I've been reading the health things that I've written. I've been reading lots of stuff that we've been concentrating on. And you just feel peace. Now, this, do you want your mind to be blown? It's all about the air that we breathe. Now, the Earth is so many miles from the sun, and that's no coincidence. The Earth has got all this atmosphere, and the trees give us oxygen. That's no accident. It's all meant that you are alive and happy. So I've just done this. You just take 5 normal breaths and you go into this peaceful state. So with me, stop what you're doing, put your phones down. I want you to take 5 breaths, just normal breaths, and see what happens. You get stillness. And that's what life's all about, peace. If you can get peace within, in any situation, for anything that you like in the world that you're grateful for, you become a magnet for what you want in life. So let's do this together. I want you to close your eyes. Breathe 5 breaths. Stillness, peace within. Add in your love for the world, your daughters, your family, whatever you want. Get the glow. This is powerful stuff, guys. You can stay in this state as long as you want. That is my gift to you today, is peace and stillness.